He gonna bust his ass trying to get in there. But he don't care. He know he's safe here. See? Aww. Aww. Yeah, it's New York, bruh.
Put a bite your finger.
He ain't gonna bite me. I ain't gonna hurt him. See? Vibration. Frequency. I ain't on that. I ain't on the negative inside. He gonna go back in that bag, but he gonna fall. Look. Aw, Yorkie. Oh, squirrel Yorkie. Hey. You got a selfie, buddy. Yo, don't touch my drink. No. I will beat you for that. No. Yeah.
He would fall out.
Don't mess with my drink. No, it's a cigarette. You can't smoke.
Oh, that is so nice.
Yeah. It's in the bag, man. Here.
Oh, now he's scared away from you?
No, it's their nerves. It's their nerves. They can't trust humans really like that, you know? It's their nerves. They're very self-aware.
Come on.
There you go, man. He like, nah, because if I go in the bag while it's up there, I'm gonna push myself in the bag and then I'm gonna push myself off the rail. Yeah, the water messing with him. Yeah, the rain. Remember, it's acid rain. It's not pure no more.
He's cleaning himself.
Yeah, but it burns. It's irritating. It's pollution in the rain. It's kind of irritating when you're natural.
Look at that clams. Oh my God, it's so sharpy. Come on, little one.
Come on, man. Yeah. There you go. Go ahead, eat. You got some crumbs in there. Yeah, he like, man, I ain't stupid. I might fall off the edge.
Oh.
He want it open. He might take the bag with him. Like, I don't fully trust y'all, Mom. Yeah, I told you. He gonna bust his ass. He greedy. Come on, man. You making us look bad as peoples, man. Come on, bro.
So messy.
Really, Yorkie? Really?
Good.
He is.
You're gonna jump on the
Just
floor.
take the bag with you, bro.
Oops.
There you go. He gonna go down there. Man, you done ate like 20 fucking nuts, man. Peanuts.
Here you go.
You greedy, bro.
Come on. Come on, boo-boo.
Do not touch my natty daddy. I'm telling you now, you touch my natty daddy, we're gonna have issues. Ask anybody in the hood, bro. From New York to Germantown, Maryland. Don't touch my natty daddy, bro. Oh, police.